Hello, on the very next day I'm back with another video on DJI Mini 5 Pro, and in this video I'm going to make a quick comparison, I suppose, on size with DJI Mini 3 Pro, because there is, in my opinion, quite big difference. And first of all, we can see two bags. So on the left side, this is the new Mini 5 bag, and this is the Mini 3 Pro bag. Both comes with a Fly More kit and basically stores the same stuff in those bags. And what can I say? I'm a little bit disappointed with this size, because it's, I would say, even bigger than Mavic 2 Pro bag, and of course you can store much more stuff in there, but on Fly More kit you don't need that much stuff, and it takes more space, and it's not so easy to carry it around anymore. But I haven't tested it yet. I hope the performance will blow all these concerns away. So yes, let's start. So the small compact bag of Mini 3 Pro and this big one of Mini 5 Pro. So let's see what is inside. So this is how the inside looks, and this middle part basically is free for something. At this point I have a feeling that it is better to store this box inside than not to keep it inside, because without box everything is more moving around. So of course, if you get more batteries or stuff like that, you can store at least extra 3 battery kits. So this is how the bag looks for Mini 5 Pro, and this is Mini 3 Pro. So basically the same stuff is stored inside this small bag. Okay, maybe Mini 5 Pro wouldn't fit in here. Maybe you could build a little bit bigger. But yeah, it is what it is. Okay, let's compare the drones side by side. As we all know, remote controllers and batteries are the same, only this is the first gen, and for Mini 5 Pro it's the second gen. But basically the same. So these are drones side by side. Mini 5 is a little bit bigger, which is okay. It will be more stable in winds and etc. Let's open them up.
A few moments later.
So this is how the drones look side by side. The wingspan is a little bit bigger. Mini 5 is higher, which I like, because the concept of Mini 3 Pro was a little bit not good for landing and starting to fly. They already did changes in Mini 4 Pro, so for this drone maybe extra legs won't be necessary. You can see the difference. So this is basically main reason why I wanted to get new drone camera sensor. Also, comparing both drones, I like that Mini 3 has a rubber small legs, but for Mini 5 there is no any rubber, and on the table there is difference that you can feel. It's more slippery and also it makes some noises, but of course it's not the main reason you choose drones. Okay, this is the comparison of size. Let's do one more important thing that everybody is doing and concerning around. Let's put them on a scale. Of course, for me it's kind of funny because I still feel like I'm going to fly in a C1 category, not in C0. And still, why you should worry about few grams? If it says C0, then it is C0. Okay. Exactly 249 grams, so I suppose scales are quite precise. For this drone I need to fold and let's see what is happening here. Without SD card it is 255, even more than I have seen around the internet. Interesting. Let's try one more time. Nothing is changing. And the third try to be sure. Oh, we lost 1 gram. Okay, not. Yeah, we lose. And let's restart. And yes, there are extra 6 grams on my Mini 5 Pro. It is what it is. So that's my comparison of two drones, and let's quickly see the batteries. Also, because this is also very important, because I hope that I will be able to use my old batteries, because I have 5 of them, and when I'm going to sell my Mini 3 I will keep 2 of those batteries, and I hope they are gonna work for me well. Yeah, on the battery is not written that it is ultralight. So let's also put them on scale. $70 and what is here? 81. Okay, if I use Mini 3 batteries it is going to be even more heavier here. Wow, interesting. But under C1 category it doesn't change me anything, but I have to of course test how it will work during the flight. So battery test will be on another video. So this is just the comparison of the size and weight, and then that kind of stuff. So yeah, there are some differences here. Okay, I think I have done my side-to-side comparison, and this is it for now. This is a bit heavier and of course more powerful antennas, but basically the same, only without the cover. I have some kind of feeling that Mini 3 was built a bit more qualitative, maybe. That's my first feeling, but of course they have to drop off some weight for the bigger device. Okay, that's it. Thank you and see you in other videos. Bye.